Hi.
Hi.
I'm Carolina and I am here, I'm sitting here at the beautiful Purple Valley Yoga Center in the garden together with Jelena. I'm not pronouncing your surname. So, because the fifth time I still cannot get it right. And Jelena and David, Jelena is here teaching together with David.
That's right.
Fourth year now.
Fourth year now, yeah.
And we are super happy. We are working hard in the shala. Again, we are in the month of March and it's very sweaty.
Oh,
yeah.
From last week to this week, the humidity just went through the roof.
Yeah.
But it's great. It's good for practice.
It is.
Yeah.
And because it's not enough of practice in the morning, we also decided we are going to do some practice now in the afternoon.
Yeah, just before the workshops.
Yeah, and we have been breaking down the third series arm balances. And we have now reached to Koundinyasana A and B.
Yeah.
So I'm going to move from this mat and
All right.
let Jelena demonstrate. So I was actually thinking that I'm going to shift to this side so I can see what you're doing.
Oh, so, okay. And
Yeah.
also I don't whack you with my legs.
Yeah.
So we come up.
So it's not easy when it's so sweaty.
No. So here we hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we try to keep the legs straight as we come back up. And then right away we do the other side. So again, keep the legs nice and strong. Let the bum stick out as you go, but you keep pulling the tailbone under, pull the belly in. When you're at about 90 degrees, now you swing the legs to this side. Keep them straight. And then you lift the chin forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you come back up. And then again, down to chaturanga. That's A. And then should I do B right away?
Let's just do B now.
Let's do B. So now we do one leg at a time. So we still twist to the right first. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. One, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what are the important teaching points here? Basically, your legs have to come quite high up into the armpits.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And this one, it gets really challenging now for me personally, because now it involves twisting.
Yes.
And
'cause
I'm not...
I find it also very hard.
Yes.
Basically, I cannot go into the twist with my straight legs. I need to bend them.
Bend them a little bit. and
So
then-
yeah, exactly. So I'm basically coming into the posture by bending bending my legs.
Okay.
And then landing on my arms. And when I feel that I'm steady
then
on the arms, I can basically lengthen or straighten my legs.
right.
Yeah.
And you keep the legs together the
Yes.
whole time. Yeah. It took a while. It's now you're not only doing an arm balance or first headstand and coming into an arm balance, but now you're also starting to do this different work with your spine, where you're teaching yourself. Now it's the work of Marichasanas that we've done in the primary series, for instance. It comes into play. So it becomes really important. This is the part of the spine that twists. And so you're tucking your tailbone under, and then you're finding the twists in your upper body, but in this case, because you're on your head, it's your legs that are moving.
Yeah.
But you're trying to access this twist here. You're just upside down, so that's what brings the legs forward. So I found two things: keeping the legs nice and rigid and strong, even if the knees have to bend a little bit. Ideally, you want them straight. But then in that moment when the legs are swinging to the side, you have to relax. There's this like a funny feeling of just trying to use a little bit of momentum to swing the legs so that they come as high up on your arm as possible. The closer they come up to your armpit, the easier, but it's really hard. So it's pulling back and then this swing. I don't know if it makes sense. I'll try to show it one more time. So from here, I come down, I'm all nice and strong, and then here I really try to kind of let my body swing me a little bit to bring the legs there. And once I'm there, here, I let my bum drop to lift the chest, and then just make sure that you're not collapsing forward with your shoulders. Keep them open as you let the chest come down. Does that make
Yes, it makes sense.
a little bit of sense? Yeah. And then for B is hard. And B, I found that I have to keep my legs really rigid. So I don't let my legs do any kind of bend at all. And then it's the same thing about telling myself that it's my upper body that's gonna twist. And it's the part of the body that's, because of your head's on the floor the whole time, that part of the body is still on the floor, but it's doing the twisting through your lower body.
Yeah. So I actually thought that in the second one that the leg that is straight out is supposed to be a little bit more up, but you are very parallel to the ground.
Yeah, I find that harder.
Okay.
And that's just the way I've been taught.
Yeah.
So I keep it very straight and try to stay, your elbows come in, try your elbows helping you a little bit and you're cheating, it's supporting you, but try not to dump all of the weight into your elbows. You're still pushing through the floor. And then the leg that's in front is also pressing into the arm. And I find the more I can drop down, the more I can open in my chest too, because we got to be careful not to let the shoulders
So
collapse.
basically the shoulders go slightly back. It's almost like you're bringing your shoulder blades together, but still the chest is dropping down towards the floor.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's actually the same work in chaturanga, right? You don't want to do chaturanga like this.
No.
Chaturanga is there, so not here. So this position that we're doing when we do Koundinyasana, it's the same one. You want to avoid that because you're going to start getting pain in your clavicles. So pushing here through your index knuckle, you bring the shoulders back, and then it becomes also actually a stretch across your pecs, across your chest.
Okay.
Yeah, hard.
Yeah, very hard.
Very hard.
Yeah.
Take your time.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thanks.